Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Court calls case People versus Edward Harris.
This is the public today. I'm gonna be happy. And so step down. And Your Honor, you should have a plea form.
That is correct.
I'm hoping.
I have a plea form that indicates that the defendant would be pleading no contest to the charge of larceny, 200 to 1,000 to 1 year offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. The people have no objection to a PR bond. Shock.
That, you have a question? Ask me. You have a
I
question?
couldn't hear.
Oh,
hear
you want
me.
me to repeat it?
You can't.
No, I heard me
Okay.
looking at it.
You.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You were reading my
Would you
lips.
like a device?
Okay, hold on.
Go get a device. For me. Johnny?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
Well,
Okay,
All right.
can you hear me better?
yes.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
much better.
Pardon?
I hear you much better.
Better. Okay. So the plea form, I'll just restate it, indicates that you'd be pleading no contest to the charge of larceny, 200 to 1,000, a 1 year offense. Upon your successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. There also is the people have no objection to you being released on a PR bond. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's our understanding as well, Your Honor.
All
I
right.
did submit a copy of the police report for Your Honor's review.
Yes, I think I got what I'm saying. All right, very good. May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
State your name.
Edward Harris Senior.
All right. Mr. Harris, it's this court's understanding you're going to plead no contest to the charge of larceny, 200 to 1,000. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes,
All right. You understand what a no contest plea is?
yes,
All right, let me explain 2 things about it. First thing you need to understand about a no contest plea is it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
yes,
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court would treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
yes.
All right. Basis for the no contest.
Civil liability, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Harris, to the charge of larceny, 200 to 1,000, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Okay.
No contest. please.
No contest.
All right. Now you understand that by pleading no contest, that you'll not have a trial of any kind.
We're not having a trial. You're entering a plea.
Yes,
All right. You also signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
yes.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
All right, there should be a copy of one on the podium. Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead to this charge?
no.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No,
You're doing this voluntarily
yes,
and of your own free will?
yes.
All right. The court has been provided and has reviewed Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 238614. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
March 13th at 9 a.m.
March 13th, 2024, 9 a.m. As to bond in this case.
Yes, Your Honor. As to bond, we do have an agreement with the prosecutor. There's no objection to a personal bond. We would ask for that today. What's a good phone number to
Don't
call?
I have to agree?
Well, we're hoping that you would, seeing that it
Oh.
was Valentine's yesterday, and I said, please.
You know, I hate that holiday.
Oh,
I
Christmas?
don't even understand why it exists.
Christmas?
Because every day with me is like Valentine's. So,
Oh, well, that's so sweet.
Yeah,
That's even
isn't
more
it-
reason to do it.
man,
What's a good phone number? Mhm.
where would he be residing?
Go ahead and answer. Where would you go?
My house,
Okay. And where's your house? Okay.
it's Miami, Michigan,
It-
48197.
Okay, and you're gonna cooperate with my probation department and come back for sentencing?
Yes, I
You
am.
sure?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So if you don't come back, I'm gonna have to come and get you.
I'm coming back.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna trust you.
So, I'll give you the PR. You're gonna-
Mine will be set at a $5,000 personal recognizance fine.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Harris, we'll see you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Mr. Harris, you're gonna have to call the probation, okay? Call our office if you have any questions. Numbers up here.
Okay,
All right.
and what's your name?
Thank you, Ms. Anderson. I'll put it on the-
Yeah.
You need
Oh.
to give you the.
You're gonna try to take my stuff? Okay, all right.
But to get out on those, they're gonna have to put a tether on you, okay? So that's bond with me. So wait for that tether and then call the public defender's office when you get out.
All right. Have a good day. Oh,
Clerk.
that's been Overwater. He's your attorney in circuit court.
Oh, you didn't know who he was either?
Probably didn't recognize him with the mask on. See, Mr. Harris,
All right, thank you.
you're welcome.
He was a popular fella. Court calls the case of People versus Edward Harris. There he is.
I hear everything.
You hear? I saw them giving you equipment. I saw you back there and I said, make sure he gets the earpiece.
Mhm.
All right. How are you doing today?
Actually, I'm doing okay.
All right.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Harris. State your name, Mr. Harris.
Edward Harris, Senior.
So, it looks like Mr. Harris.
Didn't go again.
Well, he did go, but he was ill, and I think Ms. Blair can explain. Did you send him home?
Yes, Your Honor. So he did show up in my office sick.
Ah.
And wearing a mask and I wouldn't let him in. I did reschedule
She
it.
didn't let me in either.
I threw him out. Yeah, but I did, however, reset it for the next day, to be conducted by phone. And he didn't answer. Now, I did have a conversation with him. He did call my office yesterday,
Yesterday.
and I also spoke with him again this morning. He doesn't know how to work his phone.
You what?
Does not know how to work his phone. So when I left a message, he didn't know how to retrieve that.
It's like, it sounds like Alan.
Kind of, yeah. So given the circumstances and that he has been showing up, Judge, I did not ask for a re-referral fee. I'm just
Understood.
asking that we do another in-person appointment.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Will that work for you, Mr. Harris?
Yes, it will, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I know you were probably sick and you probably should have come down. Miss Blair is not gonna let you in.
And she didn't.
I could have told you that. All right. I'll re-refer to defendant to probation for a pre-sentence interview. I'll set that appointment for April 16, 2024 at 2 p.m. in person. What are you looking for? You looking for something to write it down?
Yep,
We'll write it down for you.
Okay, thank you, Teresa.
I'd tell you to put it in your phone, but you don't know how to get that.
I don't.
I know, okay. Adjourn your sentencing to April 24th, 2024, 1 p.m. Okay, Mr. Harris?
You okay? Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
I returned them.
What you say? Yep, okay. And you, when you come back in, just make sure to ask for
I sure will.
them. Okay.
Okay. I'll see you Tuesday.
Yes, the 16th.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, you all have a-
Okay, take care, Mr. Harris.
All right.
All right, bye-bye. Oh, my.